students, we have discussed theorem related to similarity and right angle triangle. Now the next theorem is, its name is theorem of geometric mean. So before studying this theorem, let's see what is geometric mean that you have studied in standard 9. So let's revise it in few minutes. So geometric means it is related, this term is related to ratio. We have studied it in standard 9. So if these two ratio, in this two ratio, A is to B is equal to B is to C. That is, in this two ratio, the second proportional B and third proportional is also B. That is, second and third proportional are equal. So we can write this ratio also as A upon B equals to B upon C. So in this two ratio, the second and third proportional is same. So this second and third proportional, which is B, is called as geometric mean of A and C. If we cross multiply this, then what is the property? What property we see about the geometric mean here? That is B square, B into B, that is B square is equal to A into C. That is, the square of mean or square of this mean proportional is equal to product of extreme. A and C are extreme terms in this ratio and B is the middle term. So product of middle two terms, that is these two terms are same. Therefore, square of mean is equal to product of extreme. So if there is relation like this, that is B square is equal to A into C, that is product of extreme terms is equal to square of this mean proportional, then we say that this B is the geometric mean of A and C that we have studied in standard 9. So if A, B and C are three numbers, then square of B is equal to product of A and C, then B is called as geometric mean of A and C. That is the meaning of geometric mean that we have studied in standard 9. So let's see here the theorem in the Pythagoras theorem chapter, that is the theorem of geometric mean. So what is its statement? So in a right angle triangle, the perpendicular segment to the hypotenuse from the opposite vertex is geometric mean. That is, this perpendicular segment which is drawn on hypotenuse, this segment, it is the geometric mean of what? The segment into which the hypotenuse is divided. Due to this perpendicular segment drawn on hypotenuse, the hypotenuse is divided into two segments. Now this perpendicular segment is geometric mean of the segments into which the hypotenuse is divided. This is the meaning of this theorem. So let's draw here figure. So observe here in figure, this is triangle PQR, and in this triangle PQR, angle PQR is 90 degree. Its measure is 90 degree. It is right angle. So side PR, this side PR is the hypotenuse, which is side opposite to right angle. Now this segment QS is perpendicular to the hypotenuse PR. So due to the segment QS, perpendicular segment QS, the hypotenuse is divided into two parts, that is segment PS and segment SR. It means that according to theorem, this segment QS, perpendicular segment QS, is geometric mean of PS and SR. That we have to prove here. So let's write given from figure. In triangle PQR, this is triangle PQR, angle PQR is 90 degree, it is right angle, and segment QS is perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. So it is shown in, it is written from the figure, QS perpendicular to hypotenuse PR. So let's write what we have to prove. Segment QS is geometric mean of the segment into which hypotenuse is divided. So QS, this segment hypotenuse is divided into segment PS and SR. So QS is geometric mean means QS square is equal to PS into SR. Square of QS, square of perpendicular segment QS is equal to product of PS and SR. That we have to prove. So let's see here the proof. So due to this perpendicular segment, this right angle triangle PQR is divided into two triangles, that is right angle triangle QSR and another right angle triangle PSQ. Now in right angle triangle PQR, QS is perpendicular to PR. So according to the theorem similarity of right angle triangle, these two triangles form due to the perpendicular drawn on hypotenuse. These triangles are similar to each other, that we have studied in the theorem of similarity of right angle triangle. So triangle QSR, this triangle is similar to triangle PSQ. These two triangles are similar according to similarity of right angle triangle theorem. So as triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So observe corresponding sides of triangle QSR and triangle PSQ. Now here SR upon QS, height upon base. If we consider QS as base, then SR is height. So height SR upon base QS of triangle QSR is equal to height of triangle PSQ. So QS is height, then PS is base. So height upon base, QS upon PS, SR upon QS. So cross multiplying this, we get here QS into QS, QS square, and SR into PS. It means that PS into SR. And this we have to prove, that is the square of the perpendicular drawn on hypotenuse is equal to product of the segments into which this hypotenuse is divided. So QS square of QS is equal to product of PS and SR. It means that this perpendicular segment QS is geometric mean of PS and SR. So this we have to prove, and in this way we have proved this theorem.